Recently, both Venezuela's government, led by Nicolas Maduro, and opposition, led by Juan Guaido, have reiterated Venezuela's rejection of the ruling by the International Court of Justice that it has the authority to rule on the matter of Venezuela's claim to Guyana's land. In their agreement, it was reported that the two bodies are urging Guyana to engage in direct negotiation instead. Guyana's Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, however, firmly rejected the position of the two Venezuelan bodies. That agreement is an overt threat to the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Guyana, the ministry said in a statement issued on Tuesday. It was noted that the government of Guyana welcomes harmony within the country, but it firmly stated that an agreement that defies international law and due process is not the basis for mediating that harmony. Foreign Secretary Robert Prasad spoke about the statement issued by the ministry at a diaspora engagement forum held on Wednesday.
Guyana cannot be used as an altar of sacrifice for settlement of Venezuela's internal political differences. While the government of Guyana welcomed domestic accord within Venezuela, an agreement defying international law and process is not the basis of mediating harmony. The controversy between Guyana and Venezuela is properly before the International Court of Justice and will remain there for peaceful resolution.
Venezuela is maintaining a claim to 70% of Guyana's territory, the Essequibo region including Guyana's offshore oil reserves, arguing that the 1899 agreement, which determined the boundaries between the two countries, is null and void. The case is currently before the ICJ and was instituted on March 29, 2018 by Guyana against Venezuela. Guyana is asking the ICJ to pronounce on the legal validity and binding effect of the 1899 arbitral award, which determined the boundaries between the two countries. A December 2020 judgment handed down by the ICJ ruled that the court has jurisdiction to hear the Guyana-Venezuela controversy case. The ICJ has given Guyana until March 8, 2022 to file written pleadings in its case against Venezuela, while Venezuela has until March 8, 2023 for counter-arguments. Meanwhile, according to Reuters, Venezuela has been facing a political crisis, with both Maduro and Guaido claiming to be the legitimate leader of Venezuela. Negotiations were held between the government and opposition from September 3 to 6 in Mexico City as part of efforts to tackle the crisis. And it was after these negotiations that the two sides issued a joint statement on the claim to Guyana's land. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Raghavir.